D&D Sports can be found on all social media, including Instagram. Hey, welcome back, D&D Sports fans, and we normally unbox RC car parts. Well, today we are going to unbox Team Yankee. We received a large order of Team Yankee stuff, and as we look down through here, there's a lot of sets, so it's just going to be easier if I end up pulling everything out of the box and just kind of giving you guys an overview. There's actually 2 boxes of Team Yankee stuff. As you can see, it's full of packaging peanuts in there, so it's just, like I said, going to be easier for me to pull it all out, and I'll just display it all on the table for you. All right. Alright guys, as you can see, this was a large order of Team Yankee, but we also got some Modern Age tanks, which is kind of a sister game to Team Yankee. The tanks are the same, they're just different strategy cards in each game. Each game comes in kits. There's also strategy books that are available. Alright guys, I thought it would be a little bit easier for you guys to see which tanks we got in. Again, this is a World War III miniature tabletop game. The tanks, you have to build them. Set up your terrain if you want to make little buildings, things like that. You can do that. But you also have to paint the tanks the way you want them. You also make terrain maps, which are available for you if you don't want to build your own terrain. And then we have a couple little small tank kits over here. Alright guys, well if you're into Team Yankee stuff or anything World War III, give me a thumbs up, give me a like. I'll try to record some of the video of these guys playing this game. Before I left you guys, I wanted to give you a quick look at the books. The first one is Team Yankee, which is just a strategy guide for the whole game. The next one is Red Thunder, which is the Soviets. Then you have the Free Nations, which is Canada, French, Dutch, and Australia. The Oil Wars, which is the Middle East. And then, of course, you have the Stripes, which is the U.S. forces. The next one is the Leopards, which is your West Germans. Then you have Iron Maiden, which is your British forces. If you like anything World War III, Team Yankee, or any type of military strategy game, give us a thumbs up, like our channel, click the subscribe button so you get notified anytime we release any videos on what's new in D&D Sports. Thanks for watching.